welcome to my cool YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about the main habits for traders to follow if you want to stay profitable. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned and we go on. Many traders think that trading is just a process of watching a graph for some formations like head and shoulders and triangles. But the truth is that such an approach usually leads to total failure. Why? Because trading is a profession that loves preparation, rules, and routine everyday steps. Daily market analysis and research, keeping informed about market trends, news, and events can help traders make informed decisions and stay profitable. Monitor news by using main aggregators like investing.com. We shouldn't trade before and after important news with 3 stars connected with your trading pair. Risk management. Having a solid risk management strategy in place is crucial to prevent large losses and protect profits. This includes using proper position sizing and diversifying your trades. On this point, I am interested in what risk management rules you use while trading. If there are many of you, share your thoughts about the aspect in the comments under this video. I will publish a video about my risk management rules that help me in trading. Consistent trading discipline. Developing a consistent trading plan and sticking to it is key to staying profitable. Avoid emotional decision making and stay disciplined in your trading approach. For example, you have your favorite pairs that you only trade. Trade only them to go deeper in understanding the nature and behavior of such instrument. Create a set of rules like never trade the pair on which has the biggest percentage of loss. Make no more than 10 trades per trading session. Let them be less frequent but of high quality. Continuous learning. The market is constantly evolving, so it's important for traders to continuously educate themselves and stay up to date on the latest trends and strategies. I watch other traders' streams and videos every day to stay focused on the market as it changes rapidly. You should feel the rhythm of changes in how instruments are moving today and how they will move tomorrow. When you see no setups of entry points on the market, keep educating, visit my channel, watch and educate. Don't waste your time when waiting for the setups. Practice patience. Trading can be a volatile and unpredictable market, so it's significant to have patience and avoid making impulse decisions. Waiting for the right opportunities and exercising patience can help traders stay profitable in the long run. Make short breaks with yoga and breathing exercises. Keep a trading journal. Keeping a trading journal can help traders track their performance, analyze their trades, and identify trends and patterns that could help improve their profitability. This can also help traders learn from their mistakes and make better decisions in the future. It's a crucial practice for both new and experienced traders. Record all your trades. Make sure to write down the details of every day trades you make, including the entry and exit points, position size, stop loss, and profit target. Analyze your trades. After each trade, take some time to review your decision-making process and analyze the outcome. Identify what went well and what could be improved for future trades. Learn from your mistakes. Don't be afraid to admit when you have made a mistake, and be honest in your analysis of what went wrong. Use this experience and learning opportunities to improve your trading skills. Set goals and review them regularly. Define your trading goals and regularly review them in your journal to ensure you are on a track and the making process. Follow all these rules and you will wonder how much it helps. Overall, staying in profit as a trader requires a combination of research, risk management, discipline, continuous learning, and patience. By following these tips and strategies, traders can increase their chances of success and profitability in the market. See you soon on my channel, guys. I wish you wonderful, amazing, and profitable day. See you all, and bye-bye.